What about you? Can you forgive me? I mean, for running out on you, for giving up on us?
You have to ask.
Yes, I do. I mean, this is me, you know? Showing up for you. Finally.
Of course I do.
Thank you. I'm sorry that I hurt you. I'm really, really so sorry. Well, I guess,
What?
no, I was just gonna state the obvious.
Which is?
Well, you know, you said before that you came here to clear the past, to, you know, see if we could get into the present, you know. I don't know, I think we did that. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I guess we did. Mission accomplished.
I couldn't have done this 2 months ago. I couldn't have done this 2 weeks ago.
You know what they say, timing is everything. So now what do we do?
You know we're not alone.
We're not?
No, there's another elephant in the room.
Yeah, I thought we got rid of the elephant.
It's not the same one that we were dancing around before.
Oh, another elephant.
Yes. It's a big mattress. Pillows. Bed.
Ira. That elephant.
You just noticed it?
Oh, now that you mention it. So?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Dixie, I'm slow. I'm not brain dead. So?
No. The room's paid for. We're both single, unattached.
Over 21.
What we do on our own time is up to us.
Bound only by imagination. And a few physical constraints. Or restraints, if that's what you're into.
I don't remember any physical constraints. Come on. Let's fool around.
I can't believe I'm going to say this.
What?
I can't.
You can't?
No,
What?
I can't. I mean, I don't. I just... Not yet. I don't want to jinx this, all right?
What don't? Come on.
No,
Don't
it's
say
not that simple.
anything.
Seriously, I need to know a couple things, all right? Like, what does this mean to you?
What it usually means.
Oh, terrific. So we're talking about high sailor, new in town. Next thing you know, I'll call you sometime. No, definitely not. You know, this is different. I want to know that this is not some kind of one-night stand.
No, it's not a one-night stand. We can make it a two-night stand if you want, though. Maybe a three-night
So
stand.
funny. Why are you joking?
Don't you want me?
Don't you understand? I want you so badly I can't even breathe. I would love nothing more right now than to grab you and make love like a couple of crazed ferrets.
So what's the problem?
So you said yourself, actions lead to consequences, right? I mean, we just got finished taking a long, hard look at the past, where we went wrong in the first place.
Did I hit you too hard? Are you feeling all right?
I'm serious. What were we fighting for?
Understanding and forgiveness.
Yeah. Thank God. It's a big part of it, Look at our problems. Trying to finally get past the past. Take a look at every conceivable detail except one glaring exception. What do we do now? Now, how do we feel about each other?
I thought we were warming up to that.
I'm talking about the future. What happens a week from now, or a month from now, or a year?
I don't know. Dad, I don't think anybody could know that.
Well, maybe we should try. Maybe we should at least try. And if we can't do that, then I don't know, maybe we shouldn't do this either. Hey, come on. I'm not saying I don't want to. All I'm saying is that if we're really going to do this, if we're going to jump into bed together, we got to know it's because we got something going on here. Otherwise, we're just asking for trouble all over again. And we've already had enough of that, right? Right. So the question is, do you think we've got a shot together?
I don't know what to say, Dad. Do you?